Hey guys, I'm here with another review. This is Bird Dog Peanut Butter. Bird Dog is a whiskey made in my state of Bowling Green, Tennessee. They have different flavors, and they also have different sizes. I think they got pint, you got shots. This would be the shot, and they also got different flavors. They got peanut butter, blackberry, I think a few others. I can't remember how many, but I got 2 of them. This is the peanut butter. I'll do the blackberry later. But yeah, it's mostly just a shot for the most part. This small one. Funny one is, I'm going to take and show this. Depending on which one you get is depending on what type of dog is on it, apparently. Like I said, I got 2 of them, 2 different flavors, 2 different types of dogs on them. Yeah, they're about 80 proof, so about 40% alcohol. But yeah, let's take and see how this is. Not bad. Pretty good peanut butter taste, pretty good whiskey taste. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's pretty good. I can't really smell it, but it does have a really good peanut butter taste to it. I kind of like that. I know most people chug it. Since I'm doing a review, I'm just kind of sipping on it. It's really not bad at all, quite honestly. Yeah, pretty good peanut butter taste. I honestly didn't think it was that bad. It's not bad. It's not a bad flavor. Yeah, where I'm starting to drink alcohol, I notice I do kind of prefer the whiskey. Has a good burn on it, what people would call a Kentucky hug. I did one time, somebody commented, that's a Tennessee hug. Yeah, that ain't bad. I actually would recommend that. I'd recommend getting the big bottles. That is pretty good. That is pretty good right there. Wow. Yeah, I only took 2 little shots of it. I don't even think you'd call that a shot. But 2 little sips, and that is real good. Swish it around your mouth. Pretty good peanut butter taste. Yeah, that ain't bad. I would actually recommend that. That is pretty darn good. I could probably get a bottle of that and drink it once in a while. That's a lot better than what I thought. Wow. Definitely a lot better than what I expected. Yeah, I do have one more I'll be doing. I won't say what it is. I'd rather keep it a secret. But I think it'll be pretty good as well, considering how good this one is. I could actually... It also says here it has caramel and peanuts, so so it definitely does have peanuts. It has caramel to it. That's a real good drink. Not as good as Jack Daniels. Jack Daniels so far is my brand, but that's pretty good. I could definitely drink that once in a while. That's pretty good. I've been getting the shots like this to test my personal preferences. So far, that ain't bad. I could definitely drink that again. No doubt. I could drink a glass of that. Yeah, 80 proof. But yeah, for small bottle, yeah, I'd recommend getting it to try. It's not bad. Yeah, I don't know exactly how many. Anybody that knows, put in the comments. I don't know exactly how many flavors there are of this, but I think there's quite a few. That is so far really good. But yeah, that is Bird Dog Peanut Butter. Like I said, I do have one more I'll be doing, so watch out for that, and I'll take and see you all in.